What's up guys, it's Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another interesting brand new Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today, in this video, we are going to learn about the switch modes in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start our video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And my Patreon link is in the description of this video. You can support this channel financially on Patreon. So first of all, open your Illustrator and here I have created an artboard. So let's say I draw a square here, something like this, and here these are the switch modes. Here you can see this, draw normal, switch modes. So as the name shows, it will use to draw normal, as normally we draw something like this. Second one is draw behind, switch modes. And the third one is draw inside. The first two are enabled and the third one is disabled. I will tell you about that. First we will learn about this one. The second one, which is draw behind. Okay. So first of all, I draw this square here. I change its color to something red. Yes. Now I select this shape and I click. Suppose that now I click here, draw behind. Now whatever I draw here, it will draw that thing behind to our this shape, like this. I draw a circle, something like this. It will also draw behind. So I hope you guys will understand this, that what these two do. So now let's learn about the third one. The third one is disabled, which is draw inside. So when I draw any shape here, something like this, and now this is disabled, and when I select our shape, now this is enabled. I click on this, you can see this type of boundary will show around our shape. Now whatever I draw, select the ellipse tool. I want to change its color to something yellow or orange. Now I select the ellipse tool, I change its color to green, and now I draw something like this. So this will draw design like this. So it can be very useful for you to design this type of flat shapes, or you can use it into different things. So let's say I select all of these one and delete this. Now I select the ellipse tool, draw something like this, make a copy of this one, I rotate it, sorry. I rotated something like this. I selected this one, and then in the pathfinder I select this. Now this is like a heart. By the way, there are many different ways to draw a heart, but I use this one. So now let's suppose I change its color to yellow as a default color. I put it right here, and then I select this one, I will draw inside. Now I select our pen tool and I draw, and I start drawing a shape here, something like this and this. I draw this shape like this. You can draw whatever you want to draw. And now I again join this one with this. Now I change its color to something red or green. Now the shape will show something like this. By the way, I can change its color to red. Yes. Sorry, both two shapes are selected. And I change its color to red. So yes, now you can create this type of amazing designs. So let's say I put it right here and I draw a rectangle or square here, something like this. I change its color to something orange. I draw a square like here in the orange color, and then I select draw inside. Then I draw some circles here. And I again change its color to something dark. And you can apply gradients and you can design this type of cheese flat vector images in Adobe Illustrator by using this draw inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.